Good morning, guys. This is the homework activities for this week. I hope you're doing it great in these quarantine times, spending a lot of time together as a family. In the page 109, we got these two exercises. In your notebook, write what means of communication represents each picture. Compare the means of communication from the past with the ones that we use today. Fill in the graphic organizer. Like, for example, we got the old TV here, and you need to compare them with a TV in these moments, like the smart TVs. The TVs are very thin compared with the biggest ones of the past. And you're gonna write what means of communication they represent. Like, for example, the television is one of our world's most important means of communication. It shows information, programs like the news, documentaries, sport events. All of that, you're gonna write it in your notebook, okay? And for the end, you're gonna answer these three questions. Remember, all you can do it in your notebook, okay? In the page 110, we got two activities. The activity number 1, listen to the conversation track 22 and 23 and answer the three questions in your notebook, okay? Listen to track 22 and answer these three questions. Do you think that it's more likely that the conversation appears in a newspaper, in a magazine, or in a TV program? In which section? Then number 2, what about the information from track 23? And the number 3, which section of a news program seems more interesting to you and why? For the board game, we cannot do that activity, so you're gonna write a recent news you hear of each topic that you can find in the board, okay? You need to do it in your notebook. The page 111, we cannot do that page, so we're gonna make it when we go back to school, okay? Don't worry, leave it. In the page 112 and 113, you only got a text there. You need to read it. That's all you're gonna do in these two pages, okay? 112 and 113, only read the two pages, okay? Read the text. I think everybody knows that movie, right? Back to the Future, okay? In the page 114, read the text and circle its main topic. Doc and Marty Street to the present day malls or technological devices of the past. You need to circle what is its main topic of the text. Read the text again, mark the events in the correct order by writing numbers from 1 to 9. In the exercise number 3, in this part, you're gonna write the correct name on the lines, okay? And for the number 4, we got complete the lines with your own ideas being in the place of each character of the story. Like, for example, if you were the dog, what do you feel if you appear in the future? Surprised for all the new technology. That's all for this week, guys. Take care and have a nice week. Goodbye. Remember, if you got questions or doubts, you can write me at the platform or by mail.